Okay, I'd like to explain the criterion unit that's manufactured by Earth Water Systems. It's designed to be used on well water systems. So unlike the aqueous unit, where there is no water going to drain, and there is no electricity, and there is no valve, because we're on a well, we must use a valve-type unit because we anticipate the need for backwashing on a periodic basis. Inside of this unit is the scale-free device that we use for knocking down hardness. In other words, we take the dissolved calcium hardness, or calcium bicarbonate, and we turn it into a suspended solid through a process of a small pressure drop, a catalytic device, and also some magnetic fields. So this one unit will take the hardness of your water and render it harmless. Without the use, as you'll notice, there's no brine tank sitting here, so there's no need for any salt or any other chemical. So you're going to have the benefits of softened water, water that's not going to create scale, water that's not going to interfere with soaps and detergents, water that's going to give you a nice feeling shower without that slippery feel, but no salt. So if you're on a septic system or you have an environmental concern about dumping chemicals to drain, this is the ideal type of unit to be looking at. Now, in addition to acting as a water softener, if you will, to treat the water, this unit also has media in it. And it consists of 4 or 5 media, typically. But remember, we're going to custom build this for your water. So we'd like to take a look at your water analysis, or we have a lab here to test the water for you. But typically what we use are 3 or 4 distinctly different minerals. The first thing would be a material called garnet, and we do that in 2 different layers. Garnet is a fire resulting rock, or a igneous rock, so it's not going to dissolve. It's not going to add anything to your water. It'll last forever. The second thing that we use is a material called an activated manganese ore. This was developed by the Tennessee Valley Authority 40 or 50 years ago. It also is a very, very permanent media. Something that isn't going to need replacing for years and years and years, if ever. We personally have pieces of equipment out that are 15 years old, and the media has never been changed, and it's still working like the day it was put in there. Then the last thing that we use, I can't even pronounce the word. It's a mineral. It's a mineral with an aluminum base to it, and it will filter the water down to about 10 microns in clarity. So here we are with one piece of equipment, one tank, one valve, no brine tank, no use of chemicals, and we can take care of the hardness of your water. Depending on the type of what you have in your water, and we'll analyze it, we can take care of the iron, which is the red staining. We can take care of manganese, which is the black or gray staining, and we can also take care of hydrogen sulfide. And hydrogen sulfide is that rotten egg odor. It turns your silverware black if you got enough of it in your home. So one piece of equipment, no chemical, automatic backwash, system designed with the media in it, designed for your water, and you end up with a nice crystal clear water with none of the hardness, iron, manganese, or hydrogen sulfide problems. Hope to work with you. Thank you.